along. First, you need to open the project that you want to make this, okay? Click on these three dots right here, save, click right here, export this file to ODP, and select where you want to export. I will show you this device and downloads. Okay, the file was exported to this device download, so come on your WhatsApp and on the group that you want to share your PowerPoint presentation. I will use this test group just for example, so select the group, click on this button, and select right here document on the first option. Then you will see on the first option your presentation, so select and click to send, okay? And that's it, you shared your PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp. Now if you want to share a live PowerPoint presentation, you need to make a YouTube live, okay? A YouTube live stream. So you need to record your screen on YouTube and send the link to the group, okay?